Hello, I'm gonna apologize in the beginning because I do have a sore throat and I have a cold, so my throat is a little scratchy, so that's what you hear. But I did wanted to show you my Heidi Swapp Stop the Blur kit and the stamp. The large stamp looks like this, and I just stamp it out for you so that you can see how it stamps. So these little red and green are these right here. You could make them in different colors, and they do. This one goes in here, this one goes on top here, as you can see on this one, and then the corner is this one right here that you can stamp there. So that's how that looks, and it does have some numbers in the bottom right here. And then it has from 2022 to 2025, so 2023, 24, and 25. And then it has these little like stitch stars and some dots, and those are these three right here. And so it has one line and a dotted one, and it's the line and the dotted, and then this one right here is this one right here. So the words are special occasion, can't wait, a huge thanks, and then the circles, the good stuff, focus on the good stuff, and did that just actually happened, and sorry I was late, I didn't want to come. That didn't go how I imagined it would, and then some others right there. So that is the large stamp, and then the small stamp that's in the Stop the Blur looks like this. So it has the outline of the stamp, which I stamped it in black, and then the real stamp was, I stamped it in green. So these words are, this is gonna be good, those are my people, never easy, always worth it, find joy in the journey, you're welcome, looking good, road trip, have a good day. So those are the little words that are in this stamp. So as always, I always keep what I stamp so that I could know each stamp what's in them, and I put them in the back. And I also do the large one here, which I think I have to cut a little bit from here because then it'll stick out too much. Yeah, I have to cut here before I put that in there. Now, Stop the Blur, she always brings a little button, and this one says just because, focus. And I believe she did stamp it out with one of her stamps. Oh, my nail got cut. So I'm gonna put that in my little, and then this one is April in different colors. And then the arrows in different colors. You do get 2 sheets. And then the alphas, the caps, and the smaller alpha. And you do get 2 sheets of that. And then she has this little daily checklist in different colors. So this one looks like that, and then the next one is stuff, you get a whole bunch, and then memo notes, you get a whole bunch of that. So it's 3 different kinds in here. So it's memo, stuff, and checklists. Then these little pockets with some words in them. This one says, hello April, today's my birthday, I can't even, things could be much worse. And so they do go in here like that. like that. So it's 4 different colors: white, pink, blue, and green. And in the back, you could journal in them. So that's kind of cool. Then these pockets. So these pockets she made. It does have different quotes. So this one says, "I can't even," "Happy B-Day," "Great news," and "Thank you." And then these are made to fold over, and then you put this on them, and then you put it like that, and you fold it over. And this pocket, this goes in here like that, and it folds over, and you're supposed to slide it out, and this is supposed to go here like that, and it slides in and slides out. So, and it's also different colors. So this one is the pink, this one is the white, blue, and this mustard green. So that is kind of cool. And she stamped it all, and she made them for you to just easily attach these in there. So that is my Heidi Swapp. And again, the Heidi Swapp Tell Your Story back. Now, I did go to the store on Monday, I believe it was, or Tuesday, one of those days. And I went to the Muji Store, M-U-J-I. There's 2 actually in New York City. So I bought these books. They were $2.99, and you get 5 of them. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, in different colors. I'm gonna open them to show you. And they're supposed to be lined. It's a miracle I'm not sneezing. So this one is a dark blue. This one is a lighter blue, mustard yellow, like a brownish tan, and then a red. And so they all are very thin, and the pages are thick, but they're large. So that's how that looks. Pretty nice. So I'll be using these to take notes. And then I got some highlighters. I did have an older one, which is finishing the ink. So I did get them. They were $1.90 each. So I got a green, and it's 2 sides. One side, you could highlight what you want, and then the other side, you can make like a line underneath what you want to highlight. So it's 2 different. Let me show you. This one is like that to highlight the whole thing, and this one you underline. Is it focusing? No. See, that one you underline. So I got a green one, a yellow one, a pink one, and another blue. And they were $1.90 each. And the books were $2.99 each. I mean, not each. The whole packet for 5 is $2.99. So, see, and it tells you here the pricing. $2.99 US. $2.99. So I guess these are different. I guess that's Europe, Canada, and USA. I don't know the rest. That could be Australia, probably. So they always have interesting things in the Muji store. I want to go to the other one. The other one in, I think it's between 8th and 7th Avenue and 40th Street. Has the larger Muji store. but the one I go to is the one on 5th Avenue and between 40th and 41st. That one is smaller, but it does have 2 floors. So they do sell clothing also. So, but I haven't found anything interesting to buy. So that is it for my haul, my 2 different hauls. And I did press this flower that I found on the floor. I want to show you, like a week ago. So let me show you. Hopefully it was pressed correctly. And it was just, I think it was a week or 2 that I found it in the store because it was so windy outside. And I found it just laying in the floor. I don't like picking flowers unless they're dead and they by themselves fall out. So let me show you. I think it's a cherry blossom. I'm not sure. So look at them. How cute. And this is just one little bush that I found on the floor. I got 4 of them. So that's kind of nice. So I wonder if they could come out without getting broken. I think I still need another week to go. I'll leave it one more week because they look kind of soft. So one more week I'll give it and it should be okay to take out. So that is it. I'll show you when I take it out and I'll put it in a little plastic bin. So as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave it down below. And I would love to have you subscribe to my channel to see more videos, more future videos. Thank you and have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.